In this video, I'm going to show you how you can update your Reuters app. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. As you can see, my Reuters news app needs an update. To update this is quite simple. You can update it direct from here, or if you don't see this option, you need to go ahead and look for either Google Play Store or App Store app on your iPhone. For my case, I'm on Android, and therefore I'll go ahead and look for Play Store, and you can see Play Store app is here. And if I go ahead and tap on Play Store, we have an option to search. So using this search bar on top, I'll go ahead and search for Reuters, and here it is. I'll tap on it. Now you can see our app is here. If you don't see the search option, you can use also the search icon here, and you should be able to search. As you can see, we have an update. By updating your app, you'll be able to get the latest features that comes with Reuters news app. You'll also be able to fix any issues or errors that might be associated with your app. Go ahead and tap on update, and this will go ahead and download the latest version of Reuters news app and then install it on your smartphone. Once this app has been installed, you can proceed and tap on open to start using the latest version of Reuters news app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.